guys enjoying Linkhono's performance?
Yes, so
Can I
much.
get a hell yeah?
Hell yeah!
Hell yeah! Alright. It's happy hour right now, isn't it? So we're gonna give you guys a chance.